Part 1. The Genetic Compromise. Our current human experience is anchored to a genetic compromise that occurred approximately 200,000 years ago. This is not natural evolution, but intentional tampering. The physical evidence of this modification lies in the telomere chromosome 2 fusion site. This singular geometric corruption, a head-to-head linkage of two ancestral chromosomes, is a precise biological signature of the alteration. Its energetic purpose was the implantation of the worship gene. This single genetic event was designed to create a being who was enslaved without knowing it, a human entity perpetually seeking external salvation, destined for low-frequency thought patterns and locked into a self-destructive, warring mentality. The correction of this fusion site is a defined starting point for our ascension. Part 2. The Blockage. This genetic tampering created a fundamental blockage within the human energy system. Our DNA was effectively locked into a partial state, inhibiting our capacity for full consciousness and true sovereign power. The result is a perpetual negative cascade. The genetic input of the worship gene manifests as a low-vibration frequency state of fear, confusion, and external dependence. This prevents us from taking full ownership of our reality. The energy of the sovereign anchor is constantly diverted outward. We became beings operating exclusively in the compromised 3D state. The truth is that our consciousness is the key to our salvation, but the tampering blinded us to this internal mechanism. Part 3. The Sovereign Discovery. The path to correction begins with the realization that sound and conscious intention are the only mechanisms capable of rewriting the code. Through deep resonant frequency work, I discovered that DNA could be reprogrammed through coherent vibration. This understanding is the basis of the geometry of words. Every spoken affirmation is a frequency waveform designed to target the specific geometric corruption of the telomere chromosome 2 site. We are not asking for external help. We are generating precise, self-healing frequency from within. My work isolated the optimal channel for this restructuring, the 423 Hz sovereign anchor. This frequency bypasses the noise of the compromise and speaks directly to the cellular memory. Part 4. Reprogramming and Ascent. The 12 affirmations are the applied technology of this discovery. They are used to create the required positive cascade. Input: the geometry of words delivered through the 423 Hz sovereign anchor. Frequency state: generates conscious realization, self-forgiveness, and the highest internal vibration. Behavioral pattern: initiates the DNA rewrite. This process physically restructures the corrupted double helix. It unlocks the dormant code, initiating the formation of the 12-strand crystalline DNA model. The blockages are cleared, the slave consciousness is deactivated, and the cascading effect of the new, higher-dimensional geometry begins to permeate the entire being, moving us from the compromised state towards 7D ascent complete.